Good morning, children. Now I will tell you calculate the rate of reaction by integrated rate equation. We have already read one equation, A moles of A plus B moles of B. These are giving C moles of C plus D moles of D. Now rate is equal to K, A की power P, B की power Q. This is differential equation. In this equation, we measure the rate just by drawing a tangent, and then the rate is measured at the different concentrations, but that becomes very much difficult. So for that, measuring the order of reaction, for measuring the rate of reaction, we use integrated rate equation. Suppose the reactant is converting into product. Rate is equal to minus dr upon dt is equal to K r की power naught, because it is a zero order reaction. Now the r की power 0 becomes equal to 1. If we put this value, rate is equal to minus dr upon dt is equal to K. We will integrate this equation by rearranging it. Dr is equal to minus K dt. When we will integrate it, it will be equal to concentration of R is equal to minus Kt plus I, where I is the constant of integration. If the time interval is 0, the concentration of R becomes equal to initial concentration, that is R0. If we put the value here, so R0 is equal to K into 0 plus I. Now I will becomes equal to R0. If we put the value of I in this equation 1, concentration of R is equal to minus Kt plus R0. K is equal to R0 minus R upon T, where R0 is the initial concentration when time interval is 0, R is the final concentration, and T is the time interval. We can measure the value of K at the different values of concentration. This can be also measured graphically. If the concentration versus time curve is plotted, the intercept gives the value of R0 and the slope will be equal to K. The negative slope is equal to K. There are large number of reactions like decomposition of ammonia at the surface of platinum. It is a zero order reaction. Similarly, we can write rate is equal to K, concentration of ammonia raised to the power 0. Similarly, the decomposition of Hi at the surface of gold, that is also a zero order reaction. There are so many reactions which are zero order reaction. In the zero order reaction, the rate become independent of the concentration. We can very easily calculate the value of K by using this equation. Now I will tell you the calculation of rate by using first order reaction.